Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hi kids! Today we'll explore the amazing machines that help grow our fruits and vegetables. Tractor. This is a tractor. A tractor helps farmers plow fields and pull heavy equipment. Plow. This is a plow. It turns over the soil to prepare the field for planting. Combine harvester. This is a combine harvester. It cuts, threshes, and cleans grains like wheat and corn. Sprayer. This is a sprayer. It sprays water or fertilizer on plants. Potato harvester. This is a potato harvester.
Look at this one!
It digs up potatoes from the ground. Rice transplanter. This is a rice transplanter. It plants small rice plants neatly in the muddy field. Seed drill. This is a seed drill. It sows seeds evenly in the soil. Baler. This is a baler. It collects and ties hay or straw into big rolls. Planter. This is a planter. It plants seeds in perfect rows in the field. Forage harvester. This is a forage harvester. It cuts plants into small pieces for animal feed. Corn harvester. This is a corn harvester. It picks and separates corn from stalks. It makes the harvest super fast and easy.